What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, same day, doing two videos. Let me pop the hood for this one though, because I've been waiting for this thing for a minute. Like ever since I bought this truck, but even before I bought this truck, I knew I was gonna swap out the grill. Like the title says, I did get the TRD Pro Grille, known as the Heritage Grille, and I bought it from Mad Hornet. Link will be in the description. Cheapest grill. If you don't have the TSS sensor right there, and you just need the grill itself, $83, I think. That's the cheapest grill that I've seen. There is a difference though, and I'll show you that in a bit. Let me just prop this hood open so I can get this one off, and yeah. So since I do have the sensor up here, mine's a 2020, comes with the sensor, the TSS sensor, I do need the garnish, which is right over here. Now, fast shipping for the grill. Like I ordered it on a Monday, showed up on Friday. This part though, I went with obviously the grill plus the garnish. In total, it was $130. But I'm not too sure why, why they sent it out in two parts. The grill itself got here super fast. This part took almost a month, if not a bit more than a month, to get here from LA. I'm up 5 hours away from LA. I don't know why it took forever. Nonetheless, it's here. Time for the install. Yes, I just tossed the sensor. I'm sure it's fine. Packaging is A1. Packaging for that, for the grill, was A1. Like, they added these foam inserts. It was just wrapped around in bubble wrap, plus this styrofoam, and like, perfect. I've seen videos where they open up the box and it's just the grill inside, not these. Mad Hornets really wrapped these up and took care of the packaging. A difference with Mad Hornets design, let me set you up on the grill, and other ones that I've seen, the main difference, or I think the only difference, is going to be the letters. These letters are actually integrated into this part. Others, the letters come separate with 3M, then you gotta put them on and have them stick on. Others are screwed on. These are actually in, like, they're plastic welded. I don't know if you guys could see. All of them are like that. They got little plastic welds on them. Yeah, which is pretty dope. Simple. You're gonna take these off with 10mm socket, and then these little plastic tabs, you'll just put a little flathead in there. Tabs will pop up, and if you have a sensor, you'll just pinch this, push it in, disconnect the sensor, and then just pull it out. So where am I going? I got my tools right here. 10mm. Alright, I'm gonna set those right there. Then I'm gonna grab needle nose plus a flat head. Gonna go right there, just like that. Go over here. Bam, just like that. So that's how it's pretty much held in. It's wedged in there. Pull that one out. Cool, that's taken care of. Now, needle nose. Where's my sensor? Right here. Cool. Push it down. Off camera, I'm gonna try and just pull this off real quick. Should be simple. Hopefully I don't snap anything. And then after that, I can literally just kind of pull. It's held on, I believe, with a few little clips throughout. But yeah, other than that, it should just be simple. What I did, I just got the needle nose pliers, pinched these two sides, pushed it down, and it came out from right here. and then you pretty much just give it a little tug and it will pop off. Just make sure that since this was on here, it'll be seated, just lift it a bit on both sides, just lift it away from that, and after that you'll be good to pull it off. And the sensor is held upside down, so it's inserted like this, right? And all you do is just that little tab right there, just in case you guys were curious of how this is held on. It's just that little tab. To remove the sensor, all it is just unscrew the 2 screws that were here along with this one up here, and then the sensor is just like the TSS sensor connection over there. It's just that little tab you just push down on and then just lift, and then your actual sensor comes off. So and then these were the 2 screws that go on the side along with this one that was right over here. And then to actually remove the grill, it's just tabs. I gotta clip that because we no longer need this part, so I'm gonna go get snips and cut that off. But for the grill, it's just little tabs that went around. It wasn't even that many either. One thing you do gotta keep in mind, you gotta save these washer nut things. I don't know what to call them. You gotta save both of those because this will go onto the new garnish. But as for that, that's pretty much it. Just gotta snip this, because this is obviously gonna stay connected to the actual outer rim grill. But yeah, let me put this together on that, and then we'll put the sensor in and we'll worry about this later. It just sits on there, it aligns itself pretty much. Just push it down, and then with the screws you're just gonna go ahead and put one in each slot, tighten it down or screw it down, and that the letters will be set, and then we'll move on to the actual garnish. Sensor on, obviously. It's got 2 little holes over here, and then that's where the tabs are gonna go, and those 2 will just go up there. So I'm gonna put this like that, and then obviously that tab will go right in there. Let me see. Can I do it with one hand? Oh. Come on. Alright, so I went ahead and inserted the grill already. Pretty much it's just tabs that it goes into. I connected this sensor back into its connection. Went ahead and screwed these on. Obviously putting the silver screw, circular washer nut, whatever you want to call it, back in there. Screwing those 2 down. I did not have to use this one right here. I did not have to use that bolt or screw anymore, nor did I have to use that one, but as you can tell, it's on there. Also, I did remove these screws beforehand, so a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws that you do need to take off if you go with this grill from Mad Hornets. I'm not too sure on running for Tacos, Tacoma Beast, any other one that has or sells the Heritage TRD Pro Grille. I'm not too sure if you got to remove all the screws also or not, but obviously, as you can tell, it took a screw there, but with this grill there's no nut or anything that it screws into, so obviously I don't need it there. I don't need it here, right here, and over here as well. These 2 down here, right over here, I believe, this middle one. So yeah, these are gonna be extras for sure. And then pretty much now we just plop it back on there, same steps that we did to remove it. All right, so now that the grille's back on, obviously we just hit it, making sure that those connections go back in, and then gotta put these back on. Remember, those pull out, you insert, just push down. Same thing over here. Bam. And then it's gonna be these 10 mils. Which will get screwed back on right there. And then this one is from the other hole on the sensor that we didn't utilize. And then I'll tell you why I have a razor blade in a minute. That's on. Now the last thing is just to reconnect this sensor. This one right here. I already went ahead and popped it in over here. So remember, this goes back in there, just like that. And then this sensor goes right in there, just like that. Just real quick, with the Mad Hornets grill, obviously I said it was 80 bucks. Garnish is regular price, like 60, 65. But so if you buy the bundle, then it's gonna be 130. Right here, I did have to kind of shave down and trim because this wasn't sitting on there well. So I had to just use a razor and kind of cut around and narrow it down a bit. After that, it was fine. Ooh, nice. That's the final look. Definitely a better look that I prefer. So juiced on that right now. Alright guys, and there you have it. Brand new TRD Pro Grille on my Taco. An $80 grill, or $130 with the garnish, for a 2020 Tacoma. I was like, say less, and purchased it. Obviously took time to get here. I forgot that while reading the reviews, people were saying that you do gotta trim that part, and when I tried installing it, I completely forgot. But yeah, after slightly trimming it with the little razor blade, like you can't even tell, to be honest. But sensor fit on there, everything fit perfect. I mean, I don't notice anything different from any of the other ones that I've seen on other tacos. I'm sure if you spend more money on all the other ones, maybe it'll be a smoother install with the garnish. But other than just that little hiccup, it worked pretty good. Sensors plugged in, everything's good. Link will be in the description for this grill if you guys want to go this route. And if you do purchase it with a garnish, just remember you do gotta trim just right here, just a bit though, just enough for the little lip on the sensor to seat well, and it'll be good. It'll be A1. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this video, guys. It was a fun install for me. Finally a new face for my truck. I've been wanting that ever since I planned on getting the Taco. I said that's one of the things I really want to change. Changed it. Took some time, but I changed it. Alright guys, it's time to wrap things up. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. More videos to come. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you for all those that are subscribing and are fully watching my videos. I appreciate you. And yeah, stay safe out there guys, but don't forget, live life.